Welcome back to Vegan Dose. Today we're diving into the positive effects of a vegan diet. From health benefits to environmental impact, we'll cover how embracing veganism can lead to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Vegan Dose for more insightful content. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss some of the challenges and potential downsides of a vegan diet. Introduction. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing instead on plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. While many people adopt a vegan diet for ethical reasons, the health and environmental benefits are equally compelling. Let's explore the positive effects of a vegan diet in detail. Health benefits. A well-balanced vegan diet is naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all of which contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes provide ample dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. Plant-based foods are loaded with antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Many people find that adopting a vegan diet helps them maintain a healthy weight. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and higher in fiber, which can promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake. High-fiber foods help control hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promotes a healthy digestive system. The high-fiber content in a vegan diet can prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving overall gut health. Plant-based foods can enhance the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better nutrient absorption. Reduced risk of chronic diseases studies have shown that a vegan diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and hypertension. A vegan diet helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in plant foods have protective effects against certain types of cancer. Reduced carbon footprint animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. By eliminating animal products, vegans can significantly reduce their carbon footprint. Plant-based diets produce fewer greenhouse gases compared to diets that include meat and dairy. Growing plants for food requires less land and water, contributing to a more sustainable food system. Conservation of resources. A vegan diet requires fewer natural resources such as water and land compared to a diet that includes animal products. Plant agriculture uses less land than animal farming, allowing more land to be preserved for natural habitats. Preservation. Reducing animal agriculture helps preserve biodiversity by preventing deforestation and habitat destruction. A significant portion of deforestation is driven by the need for grazing land and feed crop production for livestock. Preserving natural habitats helps protect wildlife and maintain ecological balance. One of the most compelling reasons for adopting a vegan diet is the ethical treatment of animals. By avoiding animal products, vegans take a stand against the inhumane practices of factory farming. A vegan diet supports a lifestyle that avoids contributing to the suffering and exploitation of animals. Choosing a vegan diet reflects a commitment to living in a way that minimizes harm to animals and promotes kindness. Conclusion. The positive effects of a vegan diet are far-reaching, impacting your health, the environment, and animal welfare. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more content on vegan living. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll discuss some of the challenges and potential downsides of a vegan diet. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Vegan Dose